Today we will work with rounding in Excel. It is a task because we have proper function, but we have to understand how rounding works in Excel. So the most important thing is the most significant digit. So when we round to whole numbers, round for example to whole dollars, the most significant number is the first digit after dot. So if this number is 4 or less, rounding goes down, and if this number is 5 or more, the rounding goes up. So we have to just remember this, and we can start rounding in Excel. So we can use round function, give her number and number of digit we want to round up. So because we want to round to whole numbers, we are writing here 0, and just like that we are rounding to whole dollars. So in case of 49 cents, we are going down. When we go to 50 cents, we are going up, and from here we are going up and again, because we pass this halfway threshold. And in case we want to round to pennies, the situation is almost the same, but in first case the most significant number was first digit after comma, but now the most important digit is the third one. So if this number is 5 or greater, so here it will go up by a penny. So let's just use round function again. Let's give it a number, but this time we have to write 2 number of digits. So penny is 100 of a dollar, so it's 2 digits after the comma, and just like that we have rounding to whole pennies. And when we pass the halfway, we start rounding up. Okay, and it's important in Excel we can even round to bigger multiply of 10. So for example 100. So we have bigger numbers and we want to round to whole 100. So 100, 200, 300 and so on. And the same situation occurs, but this time this number is the most significant number in our situation, and we have to remember when rounding to 100 and something like that, bigger whole numbers, we have to write numbers of digit as negative. So we want 100, so the dot will be here, and we want to 2 zeros, 2 digits to the left, so -2. When we go to the right, we are writing here positive numbers. When we are going to the left, we are writing negative numbers. So to round to the 100, we just use -2, and when we go to the halfway, we just start rounding up. So when here is 5 or bigger number.